Hi everybody, my name is Ricardo De Cruz and I represent 7Step ADAS, and today I am super excited to share with you that 7Step ADAS bracket system is now available for pre-order on our website. You can check out the link below and we'll be more than happy to provide you with a kit to help you accomplish the fastest, most accurate calibrations in the marketplace today. So this whole week I've been practicing on how to do this calibration the fastest. And I don't think that's the smartest way to show you why this is the most amazing thing you can buy if you do ADAS calibrations. I think today I want to show you that I'm going to take my time and still accomplish this in record time. So this is our probably now infamous 2016 Subaru, one of the hardest vehicles to perform a front camera calibration on. It requires nothing less than insane accuracy. And we're going to show you today how 7StepBox helps you accomplish that. Before I get started, I want to talk about one last thing. Performing the calibration is not the only step in restoring a vehicle safety system to order. This is one of many steps that should be performed. Among them, the vehicle needs to have a wheel alignment. You need to empty the vehicle of all its contents. You need to check tire pressure. Don't trust the guy that does the wheel alignment. Check it yourself. It's insanely important that you do these things. They help you achieve the largest amount of accuracy in combination with good equipment. So today, we have our battery tender, the wheel alignment's done, our tire pressure is checked, our Autel scan tool is hooked up and ready to press calibrate, and we are going to set up our frame system now. So just want to make a note of the time. Locally, it is 2:15, and I'm going to get started. So step one, as many of you have seen in our videos before, is going to be to make the driver's side line. So I take the 7-step bracket with the non-360, and I line it up to the rear wheel. I now take my 360 and line it up to the front wheel. When I line it up to the front wheel, I want it to cross the base of the rear wheel, like we've done prior. Step one is now complete. Now I'm going to step two, which is to make the passenger side line. Same concept, non-360 laser goes in the rear. .360 laser goes in the front. And once we are lined up, we want it to cross with our rear base. Step two is now done. We are moving on to step three, which is to set our center line. So I'm going to hang my plumb bob from the back. Okay, step three is now complete. We want to talk about one last thing. The only reason I have this here is to show you you don't need this to perform ADAS calibrations. And the only reason I have not thrown this out yet is because one day I will show you how painful this used to be. Step 3 is now complete. Step 4 is now complete. So I'm going to walk you through it before we finish up. Step 1, front bracket placement, rear bracket placement. That's how far off my lines are from my secondary measurement, which is here. And you can adjust this from here to get it perfectly in line. There we go. So now you can see I've closed my gap substantially. This is my center line, and this is my 4,000 measurement. And here's where it meets the passenger side. So I have to make a slight adjustment. I'll do that when I go back. The completion of step 2, rear, front. Step 3, we are hitting our plumb bob. Just going to make a slight adjustment here. And we are ready to calibrate. So I'm going to move my target. You can see that. I'm going to move it so you don't think I'm cheating. So we're going to back it up. And we're going to place it where we would like it. Okay. Now let's see how we did. Time is now 99% accuracy. That is the highest I've ever achieved on this vehicle. So this is pretty surreal. I've never been able to get this car past 96%. This is a 10-year-old car with an original Subaru camera and an aftermarket windshield. So this is a great accomplishment for me today. I want to thank everybody for watching. Please check out 7StepBox. We're really here to help you perform the same services in a faster time frame so you make more money at your facility and things work out better. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the pre-order link below. Orders start shipping out July 22nd. Have a great day.